What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome all to Cilinix Crypto. In the next few minutes and in this video we'll be doing a price analysis and a price prediction or a prediction based on that analysis on Orion or Orion protocol. Abbreviation is ORN. Basically because it's trending today. I mean, as you can see, it's up against, well, basically it's up 28%. It's also up 28%, a little bit more against the market. Volume is up a lot, almost 800% to 65 million, which is 39% of the market cap. That's all looking good. And if you actually look at this, the volume is still rising. So there's still a lot of momentum in the price. What we did with Orion protocol, I'm just going to call it Orion, not necessarily sure what to call it, but still, what we actually did is today, so this morning, we managed to break through this major key level at around, well, between 3.8 and 3.6. That was the key level we were struggling with before that, but we managed to shoot through that and get to to precisely the upper bound of the next key level at 4.36. From there retraced, and now we are holding on to that 3.7 level. As I said, that's a very strong key level. So here it was a strong resistance level before breaking out of it. Now it's a strong support level. But what you tend to see, definitely in these market circumstances, so when there are bearish fundamentals and there's still a lot of fear in the market, is that when coins have such a rally that they tend to drop down quite a bit. So that it's holding right now at 3.7. It's actually quite great, and I also think that as long as we stay above, well, let's say 3.65, as long as we stay above there, we could maybe consolidate a little bit between 4.36 and 3.7. Now, first of all, that would already be bullish if you bought a week ago. Let's be honest, even if we consolidate and if it doesn't continue. But I also think that as long as we are above 3.7, that we can also actually get higher. And the main condition to actually get higher would be breaking that 4.36. So that's still quite a way up, and I think we need a lot of momentum to actually break through. But as I said, the volume is still growing. Orion protocol is on all the major exchanges, so a lot of people have access to it, and it's a great project, so it is definitely possible. But as soon as we break 4.36, we may or may not take a break retest, but as soon as we do that, I think we're moving up to this area between 4.75 and $5. And to be honest, I drew this line all the way up there, but I think it's more likely we'll actually then find resistance at 4.7 and drop down again from there. But who knows? It really depends. If we get some bullish fundamentals together with breaking that 4.36, we might even touch $5 again. So that depends. But as I said, the main condition is breaking that 4.37, 36. If that doesn't happen, we'll just consolidate between 4.36 and 3.7 as long as I said in the beginning, we stay above 3.75. 65, because if we break through that 3.65, and that's very possible, as I said, I mean, what you tend to see with a lot of cryptos that have such spikes is that they do drop down quite hard. As soon as we drop down through 3.65, and we're probably going down to 3.36 at first, but it would be more likely to actually find support between like 3.25 and 3.35. So that's for if we actually manage to close below 3.65. We can move below it. As long as we close above that with the candle, that's all fine on the 4-hour time frame. But if we close below it, we're dropping down to that region around 3.3. Let's call it like that. That's easier. And from there, I do think we will find support, and we might set up a consolidation. But let's be honest, that wouldn't be great, because that means that we haven't actually moved up a lot with Orion protocol. Although arguably it would be a good thing, because we have wiped away some of the sell orders up here. So arguably it would be easier than if we do drop down to get back into this level in the future. But yeah, that's basically my analysis on ORN token, or the Orion protocol. If you do have any questions about anything I said in this video or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. If anything was unclear, I'll make sure I'll explain it again, or more thoroughly actually. So as for now, thank you all for watching and listening. That was my analysis, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.